How to quickly know if someone unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat. First of all, open up Snapchat. And make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, go to your chat screen by tapping in the chat icon or the friends icon at the bottom left corner. Now, once you're here, search for the person name in your recent conversation. If you can still see their name, they likely haven't unfriended you. But if their name disappears, it may mean that they have unfriended or blocked you. You can open up the chat conversation, or if you send a message and it says pending instead of delivered, they have likely unfriended you. Or you can search for their username. Go to the search bar at the top right, and in the search bar, type in their Snapchat username. If you can find their account and view their profile, they have not unfriended you, but you may just be removed from their friend list. But if their username does not appear in your search results or their profile is completely unavailable, that means they have blocked you. So these are all the way to find out if someone have blocked or unfriended you on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.